Hey Dave,
What?
what has four wheels and flies?
What?
A garbage truck. What is fly is this deck drawer system that's going to be going in a Chevy Silverado. Now that we got this put together, we're going to slap it in the back of this 25 Silverado Trail Boss. All right, now we're all done with the install. It's got your drawers slide out real nice and easy. Now some tailgates may be at a different incline. They do give you different bolts to change this out right here. It doesn't look like we need them. If he needs them in the future, we'll give these to the customer. The deck boxes, smooth as butter. Something you're looking to get done, give us a call at 469-638-6828. Visit us online at bluestartruck.com or stop on by at 181 South McKinley Street in Prosper, Texas. Have a good one, y'all.